Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a special unboxing here. Big thanks to Saltzman's Watches for sending this over. It's a Breitling Heritage Superocean, 42 millimeter size. I've always wanted to check one of these watches out, and they reached out to see if I wanted to check something else out from their catalog. So I asked for this, and they sent it over, which I greatly appreciate. If you guys want to buy one of these, you can go check out their website. I'll leave a link to their website below, and also their Instagram account. So please check them out and follow them on Instagram. Show them a little bit of support. Again, I really appreciate them sending these watches over for us to check out. Wanted to check out one of these things for a long time now. Planning on comparing this to a couple of my watches in my collection. Submariner, Tudor. We'll see. How much time I have with this watch here. So, okay. You know, there's another box in the box here. So let me check that one. This thing's pretty heavy, so I thought there was a watch in here. I don't know what all the weight's coming from. They got lead in here or what? So I think this is the travel case. Okay, hold on. Okay, there's this box here, but it's pretty light. Knocking stuff over on the desk here. That's funny. Alright. Alrighty, there we go. Very cool. Such a cool watch. So, yeah, I've been looking forward to checking this thing out here. Okay. That was a little scary, actually. Just got this from the UPS man today. So I don't know if I'll be able to. It's got tape on it. I don't want to remove any of the tape. I don't know if I can size this or not. I might just hold it on my wrist type of thing. Oh. Wow, that's pretty neat. Huh. I would not have guessed that these were removable links. Looking at it like this, I thought it was just a mesh bracelet, but these are removable links. That's pretty tricky. Wow. I had no idea. I'm not going to mess with it. I don't want to scratch or anything like that. So that's a pretty slick system. I've not seen that before. These are screwed links. I've seen the ones from Stibe, but you can see that it has little sections here. You can't see that on this one. That's very neat. Interesting. And it's a nice thick mesh bracelet. The mesh bracelets I have experience with are thin. Actually, I have one here on the side on the table. I'm used to mesh bracelets more like this. And then you have this little, they all seem to have this little piece of metal that just kind of, you pop and you move it around. This one's a much nicer system. Obviously, I mean, this is a $300 watch, and this one I think is $5,000. I don't exactly remember. So it's got tape on the case and stuff too. I'm not going to remove any of that per the agreement with Saltzman's. Yeah, this thing is cool. I really like the styling of it. I prefer this over the, well, they just changed it, but the Breitling Superocean, the previous one had the, what was it, 6, 9, and 12. The new one looks a little weird too, but yeah, anyway, I like this one. Let's get her wound up. I mean, just looking at it and handling it, it's definitely up there with Tudor in Omega quality, I would say. Okay, looking forward to spending a little bit of time with this watch. Like I said, I'm not going to size it or anything like that. Okay, so 120 click bezel. Looks to be ceramic. It's a nice blue dial. I thought it was going to be black, but that definitely looks like a blue dial. Let me know what you think. I would say that's blue. Okay, let me throw it on wrist here real quick, and then we'll close out the video. I think this lined up. Better screw the crown back in. Let me zoom in on the dial. We appreciate the dial here for a minute. I like the 57 too. They have the Breitling Superocean Heritage 57 is what I think it's called. It looks, I think it's thinner, and it looks like a older watch. There we go. 200-meter water resistant, Swiss made. Breitling. Do you guys like the B logo, or do you like the winged logo? Where did the box go? Yes, none of these have the wing logo on it. Man, this thing is nice. I have to do some thinking. Purchase decisions. Okay, enough of that. Let's get it on the wrist. Actually wearing another Seiko 5 on my wrist today. And just I won't be staying on the NATO strap all that long. I'm just not a fan of NATO straps. I don't like how they float on the wrist. That is a Seiko NATO strap, by the way. Sorry, just looking at the micro adjust. There's let's see here. I would say 1, 2, 6 little depressions on the inside here. They're not holes. They don't go all the way through the case. So you would adjust it with the spring bar tool right here. The lugs are a little different. They almost kind of curve in towards the case almost. Probably just an optical illusion. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. Let me zoom out and then we'll close out the video. Sorry about the longer unboxing video here. Got a little carried away with this watch, I guess. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Ring the bell. Really helps me out. This bracelet is very cool. I would not have guessed that these were removable links. Very neat. Alright, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.